So hello everyone. This will be a really quick video on how to replace the driver's side fender of a Golf GTI Mark 7. Since I've been unable to find anything on the web to really help my specific problem with my specific car model, I thought that I would just post some quick highlights of serious problem I found when you go to reassemble, and you should just do this and not keep putting it off like I did and waste hours and hours and hours. So here's the car. So like I said, it's a Mark 7. It's a 2015 model year. I had to replace the driver's side fender thanks to my teenage son tearing up the last one. So I've got the new replacement one here, just hung barely on while I get everything adjusted. What I found was when you get under here to start reconnecting to the bracket, there's a bracket right here. So you can see this metal bracket, and it connects to the bottom here. The problem is you have to get this adapter, which also goes in about right here, in place at the same time. Otherwise you can't slide it on after the fact unless you remove the light. And I found this out the hard way. I fiddled with it as many different combinations of ways to get it in there and working as I could think of. It's just not gonna work. So the moral of the story is this: remove the front bumper. Very easy to do. Something like 6 or 7 of these small torque screws. Nothing to it. It all happens from the bottom. I think there are other videos on how to do that. It's very simple. Pulls right off. Pull it off very carefully, because when you do, on either side there's fog light connectors. Just reach in there and disconnect them, and then you can pull the bumper completely off. Next step, headlight assembly. Very simple. Reach down into here. There's one screw here, and there's one here on the top. This is a captured screw. As you can see under here, you don't have to completely take it off. Once you take these off, you slide it out, reach in, pull this plug off, the entire light fixture comes out, and you're good to go. So at this point, you'll be able to actually get in here and get this bracket on with these screws, double-sided, which go up in here with this bracket attached at the same time. So, which means once you get this tacked in, is screwed in, and everything here is screwed up nicely, then you'll be able to slide the front, the headlight back in place, and then you won't be trying to find ways to finagle this into place while the light is still there. That's how you do it, and then reassemble everything. So that's my little small contribution to the Mark 7 community. I hope it helps someone else. Thanks.